Dustin at Bianca Naki birthday sa girlfriend ni River. Bilang pagdiriwang sa kaarawan ng girlfriend ni River na si Jella Alonte, ay magkakasama nga sa naganap na birthday party, sina Dustin at Bianca para maki-celebrate sa kanya. Bukod dito ay dumalo din si Ralph at iba pang mga malalapit kay Jella.
This is my first time trying, yes, actually, tsaka first time ko makatry ng banana and coffee in one.
Yes.
So, amats natin
So,
yan.
check natin kay Master Chef.
Master Chef siya kasi meron ako ba? Oh, try. We're gonna try it. Ate, so good! Oh my God! Try mo! It's so good! Oh my God!
Minatamis na saging.
It's giving me it's giving turon!
Yeah.
Turon and coffee in the morning!
Like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other.
Ito na pala?
We're gonna
Since
try
when?
it. Thursday night.
Hello, how are you?
Ate! Oh my God! Try mo. It's so good! Oh my God!
Minatamis na saging.
It's giving it's giving turon!
Yeah.
Turon and coffee in the morning!
See you later. Bye-bye. Ano? Thanksgiving yourself. Happy birthday.